The bull market makes history.
Emotion has no place in your investments, so how do you know what news actually matters? Hi, I'm Eric, and in the next few minutes, we're going to forget the headlines and focus on the facts. Here's what really happened last week.
At the close on August 22nd, the current bull market marked its 3,453rd day, a record by S&P Dow Jones standards. Between March 9th, 2009 and last Wednesday, the S&P 500 advanced 323%, with an annualized return of about 19%. Besides optimism, four other factors drove the market higher in the last 9.5 years. Number one, easing by the Federal Reserve. Number two, earnings growth. Corporate profits have improved in 30 of the past 35 quarters, with the only slump happening back in 2015 and 2016. Number three, share repurchases. And lastly, dip buying on the assumption that stocks would recover from declines. Summarizing last week, the S&P 500 gained 0.86% to finish at 2874, surpassing its record close of January 26. Entering fresh record territory of its own, the Nasdaq Composite pushed towards the 8,000 level, closing at 7945 on Friday after advancing 1.66% across those 5 days. The week was good to the blue chips as well. The Dow Jones Industrials average added 0.47%, settling Friday at 25,790. The VIX, or the Fear Index, fell 4.67% last week, closing at 12.05. New National Association of Realtor data shows existing home sales fell 0.7% during the month of July. Last month, the sales pace was the slowest recorded since February of 2016. New home buying declined 1.7% in July after a 2.4% June drop, with the sales rate hitting a 9-month low. Crude oil just left its 7-week losing streak behind. Oil rose 5.4% on the NYMEX last week, settling at $68.72 after a 1.3% advance during the Friday trading session alone. News indicating Iran's output might fall with the imposition of U.S. sanctions helped the commodity. All right, looking ahead at this week, Monday, nothing major is scheduled. On Tuesday, the Conference Board's August Consumer Confidence Index and the latest S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Home Price Index arrive. On Wednesday, the federal government's second estimate of Quarter 2 economic growth appears, as well as the National Association of Realtors' July pending Home Sales Index. Thursday offers July personal spending figures, the July PCE Price Index, and a new initial unemployment claims report. On Friday, the University of Michigan releases its final August Consumer Sentiment Index. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd prefer to read the transcript each week, you can subscribe to that at www.erichagan.pro. Also, if you'd like to get financially organized, head on over to nocostfinancialdashboard.com and take control of your financial future. Lastly, if you want to find out if you're invested right, visit getinvestedright.com right now. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.